Hey, what's up guys? It's Aaron with 2 Minute Tech, where I do tech reviews fast, and today we're going to take a look at the Graphite Lite Q 10-watt fast wireless charger from Aukey. So before we dive into the video here, I do want to say thank you to Aukey for sending this over for me to take a look at. I personally really love Aukey products. I already own a ton of them. It was super cool for us to work together to be able to take a look at this charger for you guys. For me, I'm an iPhone 10 user, so I really love using wireless Qi chargers. I've tried a couple of different ones in the past, from Mophie, which is a puck style like this, as well as from RavPower, which is a stand which I recently did a review on. Now this fast charger from Aukey is really similar to the one that I already used from Mophie, so it's pretty easy for me to compare and contrast the two. Now at this point in time, these wireless chargers kind of all do the same thing. They use the Qi protocol, they charge at around the same speeds, so it really comes down to the form factor and the style of the charger. Now all that said, I know some people really do want to deep dive into the specs, and if you want to check that out, check the link down below, there's more details there. So this particular puck I felt was a little bit smaller than some of the other ones I've seen on the market, which is pretty good. That means it's not going to take up quite as much real estate on your desk. The downside of that though is it may be a little bit harder for you to find the exact spot to center your phone to make it charge. It does have a nice kind of space gray design, so it's not quite all the way black, it's a little bit more gray. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit darker than this, it's not going to fit the bill. But if you like that space gray look, you're going to love this charger. So I did say that I would compare this to the Mophie wireless charger that I already use, and in that regard, there's some pros and some cons here between the two. With the Aukey charger, it's a little bit more slick than the one from Mophie, so when I set my phone on it, it kind of slides a little bit more, which can be good or bad depending on what you're looking for. And again, I already said that it is a little bit smaller than some of the other chargers on the market, and that applies here to the Mophie as well. But one of the things I really love about this Aukey charger is that it has a micro USB input for charging. So the way that I use my wireless chargers is I put them on my nightstand by my bed. But a wireless charger is not the only thing that I plug into my bedside table. I've got a bedside lamp, I've got an Amazon Alexa over there, I've got a few other things that I need to plug in, so space is kind of at a premium when you've only got 2 outlets. That's one of the reasons why I really love the micro USB input. This means that I can actually plug it into a USB plug versus having to use another wall wart to plug it in my wall. So even though I really like that Mophie charger, I did replace it with this Aukey. It's got a nice LED status light, so I know when my phone is centered and charging. It's a little bit smaller, and even though it's a little bit more slick, it does give me the ability to plug into a USB plug versus a wall wart, which saves me a ton of space, and I really love it. Thanks for watching.